going to show you how to create this fall chrome look. First, we're going to apply Curly Frisky. Give that a cure. Next, I chose 4 chrome colors that have a fall look or fall theme. And I'm just randomly putting the chrome any which way. Clearly Frisky again and put some on the mat. Take the small striper brush and make whatever designs you want in the polish. Cure that. Take your alcohol pad and wipe off the excess chrome. And there you go, a very subtle fall inspiration mani.